Hi everyone, Treeesa here, your mindfulness, earthing, and grounding coach. And this is the Qi Gong flow for the week of September 9th. And so I created this flow to go along with the mind, body, soul, harmony card reading for the week of September 9th as well. And so for maximum benefits, make sure you're outside with your bare feet on the earth. And the main message this week for us to all continue to practice on and remember is that we can source power from Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, and all of nature to help us on our journey, to help us heal and transmute any dense energy, and then to pull in the loving, healing light energy from the universe to help us create a transformation in our energetic field. And so let's get started. And so we are going to start by doing a fun move. We're just going to march. We're going to warm things up. And then we are going to focus on some breathing. So as we march, we're going to slap our knees. And so you can do this as slow or as fast as you want. And just take some big inhales through the nose. And as you exhale, make that ha sound. And that's a beautiful way for us to just clear our energy field. So here you can just set the intention to just release anything that no longer serves your highest good. Just visualizing it going down into Mother Earth, and she will transmute any of that dense energy, any difficult feelings or emotions that you're moving through. We give all of that to Mother Earth so we can feel all those, tough, dense feelings. We feel it, we move it through the body, and then we let it go out of our body into the earth. So Mother Earth can compost that energy and transform it back into healing, loving light energy for us to bring in the body. Okay, slow it down. That's a good workout. Take a deep breath. Notice how you're feeling now. Let's move along. Let's open our hearts. So let's start with our palms out. And here on the inhale, we're going to rotate the palms into our heart. And then on the exhale, point out. So inhale, exhale. And a great rhythm is inhale for 4 counts, hold 4 counts, and then exhale 4 counts, and hold 4 counts. That's the box breath. So again, just go at a pace that matches your breathing, your box breath. And you can either do this breathing series in and out of the nose, or if you like exhaling through the mouth for that bigger purge, that bigger release, go ahead and do that. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And now we're going to open our hearts, just opening our hearts. And now press your palms out, stretch, breathe. Drop your head to one side. Make sure your shoulders are down. Take some deep breaths here. Now lift your head up, drop to the other side. Take some deep breaths. We're just stretching the meridian lines here. Now lift your head up, drop your hands. You'll probably feel that rush of energy just flowing all the way down into your palms. When we stretch those meridian lines, it frees up energy to flow into our hands. And so now let's just connect to our Earth Mother, just placing your palms to the earth and just allowing yourself to feel your connection to our beautiful Earth Mother. If you'd like to close your eyes, go ahead and do that, and just see if you can sense that beautiful energy from Mother Earth just, flowing up into the palms of your hands. So here we just feel our powerful connection to our Earth Mother. And just breathing in and out of your nose at a pace that is best for you. So important to really just pause and connect to our beautiful Earth Mother every day. And here again, if you need to release any dense energy or difficult emotions, just allow yourself to feel it run through your body. And then on your exhale, just give it to Mother Earth. Just visualizing Mother Earth really transmuting any density, any difficult emotions for you, so she can aid you on your healing journey. And now we're going to raise our arms to Father Sky, Father Sun. And here again, if you want to close your eyes, go ahead and do that. Just feel your connection to Father Sky, Father Sun. See if you can sense that loving light energy just pouring in to the palms of your hands and running all the way down your arms and into your entire mind, body, soul, aura, energy field, and every cell in your entire body. Again, just allowing yourself to plug in to our Father Sky, our Father Sun, these greater power sources to help us, fuel our energy and vitality. Taking some breaths at a pace that is best for you. And now bringing your palms down to your heart center like a diamond shape in front of your heart. And here again, through our heart, we are connected to all of nature, all of life. So we are part of nature. Our human bodies are part of nature. And so our connection to Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, and nature is through our heart. Our beautiful heart is where we source all this beautiful, loving, healing, light energy. So see if you can really sense that healing, loving, light energy now just flowing through the palms of your hands. And here, visualize yourself as the most magnificent tree. We are each a beautiful, unique tree of life. Our feet connect us to Mother Earth, that beautiful power source. Our branches connect us to our Father Sky, our Father Sun, beautiful power source, strong, powerful power source. And our heart is our power source that connects us to all of nature. So Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, all of nature, these are the three main power sources that can aid us every day on our healing journey, and even just, helping us on our journey stay filled with energy, strength, stamina, vitality, and perfect health. And now we're going to do pulling down the heavens, pulling down the sky. And again, this is where it just helps us open up and source energy, strength, and power from Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, all of nature. And we run all that beautiful, loving light energy, that healing energy, we wash it through our mind, body, soul, aura, energy field, and every cell in our entire body. So if you can do these practices daily outside, just allowing yourself to plug in to Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, and all of nature to help you clear away any dense energy, any dense emotions, and then allow yourself to bring in all that loving, healing, light energy into your entire vessel, so you can just fill yourself up every day and purify your energy system so that you can feel cleansed, clear, and purified. This is where we can really clear away everyone else's energy that is not ours, so we can remain in our own beautiful, powerful energy and just continue to fill up with the beautiful, loving, powerful, healing light energy from our Earth Mother and our Father Sun. One more time. And now bring your feet together, hands together, hands over the belly. Close your eyes. Take some big, deep breaths here. And just allow yourself to integrate all that healing, loving light energy from Mother Earth, Father Sky, Father Sun, and all of nature. Just integrate it through your mind, body, soul, aura, energy field, and every cell in your entire body, so that you can start your day and end your day in your own beautiful, loving light energy, just filled up with Mother Earth, Father Sun, loving, healing, light energy. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me today. I'm wishing you a beautiful day and week ahead. Stay harmonized in mind, body, and soul, and practice doing these practices every day, and let me know if they resonate and what is helping for you. Thank you for being here.